What that youth? What that? What that? What that? What that?
I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze done. I'm at the place, you know. I'm the best comedy.
Finally, Billy! Hey!
Oh baby, I would have given you all my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart. And
Yeah, man, press this one, go on.
What the hell now?
Yeah, man.
Aye!
Yo,
Yo! You must have been on your again, you know. Why y'all? What?
brother, yeah, about the new style.
What you do style? The only new style me know about and my new speakers.
But
and
if
me-
you got new speaker, I'm sure my new style. What? You fool. What kind of new speaker you talk about?
A big sound this here, look.
A big son that, brother. You see, this is a juice box. And this is a whole speaker to fling over bush. You're madman, brother. You're fool or you're idiot. Which one?
Me thing work. I hit me there play not too long.
Make it play. Mr. Madman, make it play. Last time I checked, me did mad, but you look like you mad there. Make it play.
This is me mad. Watch.
Yeah,
man,
look.
watch.
Yeah, man, make it play. I want to see it, man. Hurry up, man, do it fast, man, because make it play. Me not even have nothing to say, just make it play.
Alright, look pon this youth. Look pon this. I'm gonna show you. Picture you put it on Facebook thing, you know. Show you say me thing on a joke thing you. Connect me thing and show you boy. Show you some man thing on a laughing thing you. What that youth? What that? What that? What that? What that?
oh baby,
Hey,
I
God!
would have given you all my heart, but there is someone who tore it apart.
Well, be a big tune here, man.
Tell us some man thing work, youth. That's why you're nothing. Disrespect people work, youth. Tell us some man thing work. I gone me gone on road. I love line this is a youth. Big son of Jamaica.